Hello to everybody. Shelly Malashi, style expert, wardrobe consultant. I want to talk to you about being on video, because we're all doing it now, whether we want to or not. I was a former television reporter and a news anchor, so I was on camera all the time. There are several things going on right now in this picture that are no's. Do you see them? I'm going to point them out to you because I'm going to show you what happens when we change them. First of all, what am I wearing? A very tightly striped shirt. I have seen myself on camera in this shirt, and you just kind of vibrate. The camera can't focus on a tight pattern like this. This shirt, the pattern of this shirt, is a no. There's another no going on. What's distracting? The chandelier and all the things that are hanging from it. That's a no. The lighting is a bad no in this. I am dark in front and really bright behind. So I have shadows around my eyes and around my nose, and all you can see is this big bright window behind me, and the mirror on the other side of me is reflecting the other window. These are all no's. I'll show you what a difference it makes when we change it. Stand by.